the problems. Hopefully, translation will pick it up. So we talked about this in class today. Impossible, unlikely, as likely as not, likely, and certain. So rolling a number less than 4 on a number cube, label 1 through 6. So imagine a number cube. A number cube is a cube like this, right? That's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? We want a number less than 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Less than 4, right, would be 3, 2, and 1. Those are numbers less than 4. 3, 2, and 1. So is that a good chance? Right? Impossible? Unlikely? Likely as not? Likely or certain? So if you want to get a number less than 4, that would be as likely as not. Now, number 2, picking a card with a multiple of 3 from a box with 10 number cards, number 1 through 10. So imagine there's 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we want a multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9. So, do you think that's going to be, if you're going to pick a card, do you think they have a impossible? Is it impossible, unlikely, as likely as not, likely, or certain? There is 10 cards, right? And you have 3 multiples. So that's not that great of a chance. So that would be unlikely. Number 3, drawing a red marble from a bag of 3 blue marbles. So in a bag, there's 3 blue, 1, 2, 3, 8 red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 green marbles, right? So, and you want to pick a red. So imagine it's in the bag, right? And you want to take 1 red out. Do you think it's impossible, unlikely, as likely as not, likely or certain? So this one would be likely. Number 4, rolling a number cube that has sides 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this one is a different type of cube, right? So here we have a number cube, and the numbers on the cube are it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we have these numbers, right? So these are even numbers, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 are even numbers. So if you roll this die, right, what is the chance of you getting an even number? Well, all of them are even, so it doesn't matter what you get, you're going to get an even number. So this is for sure certain, 100% guaranteed. 5, picking 2 cards that have a sum greater than 10 from a set of cards in which there are 4 threes. Sorry, 3 fours. So there's 3 fours, 5 threes, and 2 fives. Right? So you want to get 2 cards where the sum is 10. And the only way that you can do this is to select this 5 and this 5, because 5 plus 5 is 10. If you pick a 4 or a 3, there's no way you can get a sum of 10. So notice that there's only 2 cards that are 5s, and you have to get those 2 in order to get a sum great. Actually, it says sum. I'm sorry, it says a sum greater than 10. It doesn't matter which card you get. If you add those 2 cards, it's not going to be greater than 10. So number 5, impossible. Okay. 6, drawing a yellow marble from a bag of blue marbles, 2 green and 7 yellow. So in this bag you have 5 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 green and 7 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's your bag, right? And you want to get a yellow marble, right? So without looking, you want to get a yellow marble. So do you think you have is it impossible, unlikely, as likely as not, likely, or certain? Well, how many yellow do we have? We have 7 yellows. What's the total? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 14 total. And 7 of them are yellow. 7 are yellow. So this would be 50-50. So this would be as likely as not. Number 7. So number 7 is going to be a little bit tough, I think. There's a spinner. Right, this is a spinner. And has 16 sections. Oh my god. 4, 8. I think that's 16. 16 sections. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 sections. And with numbers 1 through 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 sections. The probability of spinning a number less than or equal to 10 is 5 over 8. Okay. What's the probability of spinning a number that is not less than or equal to 10? So you don't want a number that is less than 10. So you want a number that is greater or equal to 10. So greater or equal to 10 would be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you have 6 chances of that happening. 6 out of a total of 16. Okay, so 6 out of a total of 16, it's not 50-50, but it's a little bit less than that. So this would be unlikely. Number 8, sorry. The probability of picking a striped marble from a bag that contains red, blue, and striped marbles is 5 out of 12. So there's marbles in here. Okay, there's 12. I choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they're saying stripes is 5 out of 12. 2, 3, 4, 5. These are your stripes or striped marbles. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so the probability of getting a striped marble, right, striped is 5, right? 5 out of 12. What's the probability of not picking a striped marble? So I don't want to pick a striped marble. So this is, and this over here, it's not striped. So the probability, the chance of getting a marble that's not striped is 7 out of 12. So 7 out of 12, is it impossible, unlikely, as likely as not, likely, or certain? That would be likely. Number 9, when Sam studies for 1 hour or more, he almost always gets a B on his math test. Yesterday, Sam studies from 8:45 to 10 o'clock. So 8:45 to 10 o'clock is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, so it's the probability that Sam will get a B. Estimate the probability that Sam will get a B on his quiz. Well, did he study for more than that 1 hour? Yes. So he is very likely to get at least a B on his test. So this is likely. 10, and that's the last question. A bag contains 12 black cards, so we have 12. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 black cards. And 11 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 red. Okay. Julia draws 2 black cards and does not replace them. Will Julia be more likely to draw a black card than a red card on her next draw? Explain. So she takes 2 black cards, right? She randomly draws 2 black cards. So pay attention to that. So she takes 1 card. She takes another card. Now she's going to go for her third try. How many black cards do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 black cards. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there's 11 red. So on the next one, her third try, is she more likely to get a black or more likely to get a red? Well, there's more red, so she's more likely to get a red because there are more red cards. Okay, so hopefully this was not that